Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meetup how to delete account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To permanently delete your Meetup account, what you need to do first is head over and then open up your Meetup app, and then once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now in order to delete account, simply tap on menu icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Then on the top left corner of the screen, tap in your profile. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen once again, and then once you're inside here, scroll all the way down, and there you'll find the option that says delete account and personal information. Simply tap on that, and now follow the on-screen instructions to successfully delete your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.